Okay, in case I fucked it up.
Oh, did you hear that Brian May from Queen had a stroke? The guitarist from Queen.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he had a stroke. Well, I don't know if it's today, but
So you like cocaine?
still alive.
Can he play? Well, I mean, it's gonna take a recovery time. It's like 8 months.
Yeah. No wonder they look so grim, staying out in the Norwegian nature anytime except the summer is pretty horrible. I heard cocaine for Brian May.
You heard cocaine? Can't be bargained with. Can't be reasoned with. Did you know that?
No, I didn't.
It doesn't feel. Aliens.
I like that. We'll never get another singer and musician better than Freddie Mercury. I don't know.
I don't know about that. He's good. He's very good.
But there's others that I think I'd say are better.
But there's good musicians and singers everywhere, man. Like, what about the fucking lead singer for Journey, dude?
Yeah.
That dude is like freaking pitch perfect anytime I hear it.
What about fucking Dio?
Ronnie James Dio? Yeah.
Like,
Absolutely.
what about Avril Lavigne?
No. You know who really rivals Freddie Mercury? Avril Lavigne.
There's good musicians that make bad music. There's bad musicians making good music. Yeah. The magic happens when you find a good musician. Yeah. Normally how it works. Camera.
Like this?
Am I in the way?
In your way?
No, it's not in my way. Nothing is in my way. Just fucking kick me out.
No.
Sure, but the range,
The range?
how seamless he just, please. I mean, look at Devin Townsend. You want range? Look him up.
We're talking range. The dude from Muse actually has a crazy range.
Yep, Muse. Fucking Phil Anselmo.
Like, here, listen. The fact of the matter is, we're humans, right? Freddie Mercury was a human. There's many musicians that are humans. So it's like, no one can actually achieve perfection, but we're also not that far off all from one another. You know what I mean?
Right.
How many people are on the planet? You know? You're not like, there's no such thing as the chosen one. You know what I mean? Yeah, Dio.
I'm with you with Dio. Fuck yeah. What's good, Minimal? On a 5-stream watch streak. Hell yeah.
Or what? Some combination of those words?
Eric Gilliland died. A Roseanne writer and producer.
You know who's got the vocal range to rival Freddie Mercury, though?
Who?
Eric Slather. It's fucked up.
What is that doing?
That's not in there.
Did you see his testimony before Congress?
Who?
Dio?
Eric Slather?
No, but I saw what's his from Twisted Sister. He went in front of Congress or something like that.
For what?
Because like metal used to be banned.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah, like there was a time frame where it was like I'm pretty sure. Yeah, Satanic Panic. Yeah, I bought an all today to hike to poke holes in the hood to. Why can't I read today?
Oh, you know what's? I have the thick needles, but you know what's a cool tool? This thing.
That thing helped a lot.
This thing right here. Get you one of these, dude. Hold on. I'm gonna.
It wasn't the. I can't remember what his name is.
You said it was a dude from Twisted Sister, no?
Yeah, Dan Snyder. Daniel Snyder. Yeah, yeah. He went. I can't remember what it was for.
I'll show you how this works. Let's find some rope.
Or D Snyder. Sorry.
So, like, imagine minimal that this is happens to be the thing you're trying to pull through something. It wouldn't be obviously, but these has little like teeth on it, so you freaking I'm having trouble grabbing it. So you'd clamp it like this, right? Like a pair of tweezers, and then you bring this loop down, and now this isn't going anywhere. And then you can pass this through the hoodie hole or whatever it is you're doing. Isn't it, Zine?
I need to just buy one of those for my hoodies.
Choose mine. Different.
Mm-hmm.
And it'll. Should I make it looser? Hold it like. It's not gonna be uncomfortable, right?
Mm-hmm.
No. Here's the fun part.
I got foods for splicing. They work really well, but are not cheap. That's a cool solution. Collecting single and double rope for selling. Or is this sailing?
For sailing, I think.
For sailing, and I made my dog's leash that way. Oh, nice.
Where you like take two pieces of rope and make them into one by like kind of weaving them into each other, correct, Azine?